Hello friends, in the today's session we will discuss about the wave nature of electromagnetic radiations, and we will also discuss about a spectrum and the characteristics or properties related to the wave. So we will discuss one by one. So when any oscillating charged particle is oscillate, it generates electromagnetic field. So electric and magnetic field is given in this figure. It is three-dimensional diagram drawn in the 2D board. So this is your see. If this is your plane, at the same time, one wave will be passing in this plane. One wave, electric wave, will be passes in this direction, and one wave will be passes to this one. Means this is your one plane of electric, and this is your plane of magnetic field. Magnetic field passes in this perpendicular to the electric field. So red color is given on the board, so that indicates the magnetic field. The red color indicates this is your magnetic field, and this will indicate your electric field. It is just like perpendicular to each other, and this is your direction of wave or a direction of propagation. Direction of propagation of a wave. So wave passes in any medium. It's just like light or sound waves. So it does not require medium to propagate. It can also propagate in a vacuum also. So electromagnetic waves containing oscillating particles contains electric and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other, or we can say they are also perpendicular to the direction of propagation. They are also perpendicular. So this is a perpendicular axis. All the threes are perpendicular to each other, direction of propagation. So next, characteristics of oscillating waves or characteristics of waves, in which first one, wavelength. So distance between two successive crests or distance between two successive trough is called as wavelength. Length. So it is a length between wave called as wavelength. So when you are drawing any wave, see, if this is your axis, so when you are drawing this wave, so upper side is called as crest and lower side portion of the wave is called as trough. Crest and trough. So distance between two successive crests, or we may call as distance between two successive trough is called as wavelength. Our first definition, wavelength. Distance between two successive crests or distance between two successive trough is called as wavelength. Is called wavelength. Unit. So what are the units of wavelength? It's a meter, centimeter, micron, nanometer, whatever units of length that will be count here. Nanometer, then picometer, or you may call it as Armstrong. 1 Armstrong is equals to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Or we can say that 1 Armstrong is always equals to the 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Same like with picometer. So 1 picometer is what? 10 raised to minus 12 meter. Or we can say as 1 picometer is 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Same like with the nanometer. So what nanometer? Nanometer is 1 nanometer is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Or in terms of centimeter is 10 raised to minus 7, 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter, like this one. Second point, that is second characteristics, frequency denoted by symbol nu and EU. It is not V, it is nu. So number of waves that passes through a given point within 1 second. So number of waves that passes through a given point within 1 second is called as frequency. So frequency is denoted by symbol nu. Denoted by symbol nu. If you are setting this point, from this point how many waves will pass within 1 second? So this is your complete one wave. If you are counting, so this is your complete one wave. How will calculate one wave? It contains crest, it contains trough. Upper side is crest, bottom side is trough. This is one wave. So how many waves passes in 1 second is called as frequency. What is the unit of frequency? It is hertz, or another unit is CPS, that is cycle per second, or 1 CPS is equals to 1 hertz, or it's per second. Frequency calculated with the formula nu is equal to c upon lambda. What is c? C is velocity of light. C is velocity of light. That is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, or in terms of centimeter, is 3 into 10 raised to 10 centimeter per second. Next to this, wave number denoted by nu bar. Wave number is denoted by nu bar. The number of wavelength per unit wavelength. It's a complicated definition, or in terms of very simple form, it is a reciprocal of. It's a reciprocal of wavelength. You may call it as it's a reciprocal of wavelength. So nu bar is equal to 1 upon wavelength. That is a reciprocal of wavelength. So again unit is what? Per centimeter per meter, because wavelength is shifted to bottom side. 1 upon centimeter, or 1 upon meter is centimeter per, or meter per. So what is the relation between frequency and wave number? Frequency is equal to the c into nu bar. C into nu bar. So this is your equation. Next to this, amplitude. Fourth characteristics, amplitude. So what is amplitude? It's a maximum distance traveled by the wave to the upper side or bottom side, or you may call it its height or depth. Fourth one is amplitude. Maximum height, or its a amplitude, it is height of crest or depth of trough is called amplitude. Is called amplitude. So if you are observing this type of ray, so this is your height to the positive side, this is your height to the negative side. So this bottom side is called as a depth, this is upper side is called as height. It is crest and this is your trough. Next to this, fourth is amplitude. Fifth, velocity. So what is velocity of wave? Distance traveled by the wave within 1 second. Distance travel by wave within 1 second is called as velocity. So what is the formula for velocity, or what is the unit for velocity of wave? Distance by time. So it is meter per second. What is unit? Meter per second, per centimeter per second. Next is sixth number, period. Period of wave. So what is the period of wave? It's a reciprocal of frequency. It's the ratio of frequency. T is 1 upon nu. So according to this 4 to 5 formula, we have to solve some numericals. So this is one of the formula. And one more formula, nu is equal to C into nu bar, or one more formula we are having, that is nu is equal to C upon lambda. This is one of the formula. There are a number of formula in this chapter. We have to remember all the things and we have to solve the numericals. We'll take one by one. Next, numericals on the basis of waves or electromagnetic waves. So this is your first numerical. We'll take a first question. The Vividh Bharati station of All India Radio is broadcast on a frequency of, which is broadcast on the frequency of 1368 kilohertz. 1368 kilohertz. Calculate the wavelength of electromagnetic radiation emitted by the transmitter. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate wavelength. We have to calculate wavelength. Wavelength we have to calculate, that is lambda we have to calculate. We know that, what we know that nu is equal to c upon lambda. What is c? C is velocity of light. So what is the velocity of light? C is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 10 meter per second. 3 into 10 raised to 10 meter per second. Just substitute the value. Rearrange the formula for lambda. So what will be the formula? Lambda is equal to, we'll shift to this side. Lambda is equal to c upon nu. So what is c? C is velocity of light, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And what is frequency? Frequency is given 1368 kilohertz. In terms of hertz, it will be a kilo, means 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 we are removing. Or hertz, we are already studied. 1 CPS is equals to 1 hertz is equals to 1, or it is equals to the per second. Is equals to the per second. So we are writing here directly per second. 1368 into 10 raised to 3 per second. Per second get cancelled, and final unit has meter unit. So 3 into 10 raised to 8 divided by 1368 into 10 raised to 3. So your final answer will be 219.3. 219.3 meter. 219.3 meter. This is your wavelength. Second numerical, the wavelength range. See, the wavelength range of visible spectrum. The wavelength range of visible spectrum extends from violet color to the red color, which are being 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. Like, express these wavelengths. What we have to do? Wavelength. Explain these wavelengths in terms of frequency. We have to express the same given values in terms of frequency. For that, we have to aware about the relation between frequency and wavelength. So we know that, what we know that, so for violet light and for violet light and for red color type of wavelength, so frequency is inversely proportional to the wavelength. Nu is equal to c upon lambda. C is velocity of light. So for violet 400 already given, and we know that 1 nanometer is 10 raised to minus 9 meter. So c upon lambda, substitute the value of c, which is constant, and lambda is 400 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. 400 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Actually it is given in nanometer, but in terms of meter we have to multiply by 10 raised to minus 9. Your answer will be 7.50 into 10 raised to 14 per second, because meter get cancelled, remaining only per second. Per second we are also called as hertz, or we can also call it as CPS, that is cycles per second. Second, for red, frequency is c upon lambda, again 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second divided by 715 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Your answer will be 4 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the range. So range will be, the range will be 4 into 10 raised to 14 to the 7.50 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. This is your range of frequencies. Third numerical, calculate wave number and the frequency of yellow radiation. Calculate wave number and the frequency of yellow radiations having wavelength 5800 Armstrong. We know that Armstrong is, 1 Armstrong is 10 raised to minus 10 meter, or that is in terms of centimeter it will be 10 raised to minus 8. So wave number is denoted by nu bar, having formula 1 upon lambda. So what is wave number? Wave number is the ratio of, or it's a reciprocal of wavelength. It's a reciprocal of wavelength. Just substitute the value of wavelength 5800 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, because 1 Armstrong or 5800 Armstrong is 5800 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So what will we get? We will get answer 1.724 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Sorry, per meter, because meter will shift to the upper side, it will be per meter. Or in terms of centimeter is 1.724 into 10 raised to 4 centimeter. Second phase of numerical, frequency. So what is the symbol of frequency? Frequency is count in terms of nu. What is nu? Nu is equal to c upon lambda. So what is the formula of nu? Nu is c upon lambda. Substitute the value of c. C is what? C is velocity of light. C is velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And what is wavelength? 500 to 10 raised to minus 10 meter. So you will get answer, meter get cancel, remaining only per second. You will get answer 5.172 to 10 raised to 14 per second.